channel Content In. So in this video we are going to discuss deeply about the human resource management, which is nothing but HRM. So some other topics that we cover in this video are introduction of HRM. So in this particular topic we will see about what are resources and what are human resources. And next, functions of human resource management. And third is HR planning, which is nothing but manpower planning. And fourth, job analysis. And fifth, recruitment and selection. And sixth, compensation and benefits. And seventh is training and development. And eighth, performance management. And finally we also discuss about the employee engagement. So in this introduction part we will see about what is HRM. What is human resource management? So human resource management involves the productive use of people in achieving organizational goals and satisfaction of individual employee needs. And in another words, we can also say that HRM is a management of human resource by attracting, developing, utilizing, retaining the human resources to achieve the organizational goals. In simple way, we can also say that HRM is a management of people within an organization. Now, what are human resources? So, human resources refers to the workforce of an organization, industry, economy, or business sector, or we can also say that the people working in an organization. Now, note the point that humans are regarded as most valuable resource because they make the best use of nature to generate more resources. Now, what are resources in HRM? Resources are the inputs you require to produce something. So the end result could be either products or services. Examples are land, raw material, machines and people, etc. And now we will see about the functions of HRM or the duties of human resource management. So some of the primary functions of HRM include manpower or human resource planning, or we can also say strategic workforce planning. And next, job analysis or work analysis. And third, recruitment and selection. Recruitment is a process of finding candidates for a post in an organization. And next is onboarding. Onboarding is also a process of integrating someone into a group or a system or an organization. And next, training and development. So training and development is also an integral part of an human resource development actively in all kind of organizations. And next, performance management. So here performance management is also a process of ensuring that organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner. And next, compensation and rewards. And next is employee engagement and retention. So these are all the functions of HRM. The third topic is HR planning. It is also known as manpower planning, or in simple words HRP, human resource planning. So manpower planning entails putting the right number of people, the right sort of people in the right place at the right time doing the right things to achieve organizational objectives or goals. Okay, and in simple words, you can also say that it is a practice of estimating the optimal number of employees required to complete a project, job, or an objective on time. Now we see the steps that are involved in human resource planning. So firstly, analyzing the organizational goals and analysis of current manpower inventory and future manpower forecasting, estimating manpower gaps, and formulating the final action plan, and finally monitoring and feedback. So these are all the steps involved in HRP. Now we discuss need for manpower planning, or why manpower planning. Manpower planning is very important tool and technique of human resource management. And manpower planning consists of putting a right number and right kind of people in the right place. And HR planning also helps in reducing the labor cost by identifying excess staff and hence avoiding unnecessary resources. And also it checks the corporate plan of the organization. And HR planning helps to take steps to improve human resource contribution in the form of increased productivity, turnover, etc. And now we discuss about the job analysis. So job analysis is nothing but a systematic process of collecting all information about a particular job. So that includes skill set requirements, roles, responsibilities, and process to create a valid job description. And it was a crucial stage in ensuring that the best candidate is hired. The employer can use job analysis to help with recruitment, selection, performance management, benefits and remunerations, and etc. And job analysis is an in-depth examination of a particular job. This includes KSA. KSA is nothing but knowledge, skills, abilities, and to work effectively. And it's very useful for preparing job description. And next, what is meant by job description? In simply, it is a characteristic of a particular job. It is a document that indicates what the job covers. And now, what is job evaluation? Job evaluation is an attempt to assess the value of job in relation to other jobs. It is used to determine a fair wage of a job. And now we discuss about the recruitment and selection. So recruitment is a process of finding candidates for a vacant post and attracting them to apply for it. And communication is one of the most essential recruitment skill. Okay. And next, recruitment is an important part of business HR activities. And what is meant by selection? Selection is a process of selecting the best candidate from the pool of candidates and extending an offer of employment to them. And what is meant by onboarding? Onboarding is a process of integrating a new employee into a company's culture and providing them with the tools and information they need to become a productive member of the team. Okay, now we discuss about what are the steps that are involved in recruitment. Firstly, examining the job specifications, and second, posting the job openings, and third, getting people to apply for position and keep track of their response, and fourth, examining the applications, and finally making a short list of candidates. So these are all the steps that are involved in recruitment process. And now we discuss about the steps that are involved in selection. So firstly, screening, eliminating unsuitable candidates, conducting a test, interviews, checking references, and medical test. So these are all the steps that are involved in selection process. And now we see about the compensation and benefits. So what is compensation? Compensation is a pay provided by an employer to an employee in return for their work. And compensation could be given to employees in the way of wages, salaries, benefits, bonus, pay leaves, pension funds, etc. And compensation plans include internal alignment and external competitiveness. So what is internal alignment? Internal alignment is nothing but it makes a comparison among job or skill level inside a single organization to pay. And what is external competitiveness? External competitiveness is a pay comparison with competitors, other organizations that hire people with similar knowledge, skills, abilities. And now there are two elements of compensation, which is known as fixed pay, which is base pay, and next variable pay, as it is changes with performance. Now we discuss about the benefits. Employee benefits includes all compensation other than base salary. So benefits provide support to an employee family, health and financial future. And third, benefits includes educational benefits, leave benefits, paid time off, life insurance and medical insurance, wellness programs, and finally retirement and saving, etc. These are all the benefits. And now we discuss about the training and development. So here, training and development is a system of educating employees within a organization or a company. And training and development helps to keep employee skills and knowledge up to date for doing a job, which in turn helps to boost their work efficiency. And next we discuss about need for training and development. Training is provided to new employees so that they can learn about the organization, mission, vision, regulation and work conditions. And also employee receives training on how to adapt to new work procedures, and also they can share the obligations of higher level job. and training improves the individual's level of awareness. Now we discuss about the performance management. So, performance management is a process of continual communication and feedback between a manager and an employee towards attainment of organizational objectives. And now we discuss the tasks that are involved in performance management. So, once people are part of team, the performance has to be managed. Firstly, to evaluate their skills and abilities, to give them direction, and to evaluate and assess what they are doing. So now let's discuss about the employee engagement. So when we say that the employees are engaged, what will be the result of that? And also we discuss about the differences between employee engagement, employee satisfaction and employee commitment. So employee engagement is one of the most popular predictor of the job performance, and engaged employees are those who are committed and actively involved in their work and workplace. So what is meant by employees engagement? Employees engagement are nothing but the employees are actively involved in their jobs. And what is employee satisfaction? Employee satisfaction means employees are happy with their work. And now what is employee commitment? Employees are attached to their work. Thanks for watching, viewers. Follow us for more content, so do subscribe now and get notified firstly.